Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the frustrating HP printer error code U12320, you're in the right place. This error is a common one, especially with newer HP models, and it can pop up out of nowhere, halting your printing tasks. In this video, we'll break it down step by step, what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it quickly so you can get back to work. First off, let's talk about what error code U12320 actually means. From what we've seen in 2025 models, this code typically indicates a communication issue between your printer and the computer or network. It could signal problems with firmware, hardware connections, or even software conflicts. Essentially, your printer is saying, "Hey, I can't talk properly right now." Now, what causes this error? There are a few common culprits. One is outdated printer firmware or drivers. HP releases updates regularly, and if yours are old, that can lead to glitches. Another cause might be a loose USB cable or Wi-Fi connectivity problems, especially if you're in a spotty network area. Physical issues like a paper jam or a faulty ink cartridge can also trigger it, as can malware on your computer interfering with the print spooler. Alright, let's get to the solutions. Start with the basics. Turn off your printer, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on. This simple restart often clears temporary glitches. Next, check all connections. Make sure your USB cable is securely plugged in or that your Wi-Fi is stable. If that doesn't work, update your drivers. Head to the HP website, download the latest software for your model, and install it. While you're there, run the HP Print and Scan Doctor tool. It's a free utility that diagnoses and fixes common issues. If the error persists, try resetting the printer's settings. Go to the printer's control panel, navigate to Settings or Tools, and look for a reset option. But be careful, as this might erase custom configurations. Finally, if nothing helps, it could be a hardware problem, so contact HP support or take it to a professional. There you have it. Simple steps to banish that U12320 error for good. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay productive, everyone.